Hello students, welcome to EVS class. See students, chapter number 3 from tasting to digesting, and in earlier videos and in earlier classes we have learned about some different types of taste. Some taste like bitter taste, sour taste, salty taste, many types of taste we had learned about. After that we had learned that digestive system also, that what are the organs of digestive system, how that food digest. So now in this video some further topics we'll learn, that good food, good health. See, good food, good health. So you know that as you can see in the picture here, two pictures are given. One is Rasmi and Kailas. Here Rasmi is a girl of 5 years old, and she looks about 3 years old. It means she is a 5 years old only, but she looks about 3 years old. It means smaller than her age. She has very thin arms and legs and a pot belly. It means that उसका जो stomach था like a balloon only, and she often falls sick. Often means every now and then. It means after some days he falls sick, and her hands and legs are very thin only, but the stomach is very. It means that we can say like a balloon, and always she feels that tired. Because of that she cannot go to school also regularly, and she does not have a strength even to play only. Why? Because you know that because she does not get that enough food to eat only. She can get a little rice or one roti to eat in the whole day. In the whole day she get only one roti or some little amount of rice only to eat. Now second picture is Kailas. See, he is a boy, he is 7 years old, but he looks older than his age. It means that he is a 7 years old, but he looks older than his age, because his body is fat and flabby only, that fat body and flabby body only, and he has pain in his leg because of that heavy weight of that body. Always he has pain in his legs. He is not very active also, always dull, sitting on at one place only, not doing some activity also, and he goes to school by bus, and after that after that many it means spend many hours watching TV only. It means no physical exercise, no playing, nothing, just going school by bus and spend hours in watching TV only, sitting at one place and watching TV only. And his food habit, he does not like to eat home cooked food. It means he does not like to eat home cooked food like chapati, then dal, rice, then sabji. It means that vegetables and all. He likes to eat only that chips, burger, pizza, soft drinks, and you know that packet food like that only, junk food. So what is the difference between that two eating habits of these children? First, that Rasmi, it means she does not get that enough food to eat. Just little amount of rice and one roti only eat to one day. It means she has not enough food to eat. And Kailas, he has everything, but he does not like to eat that cooked food like dal, roti, rice and sabji, but he likes to eat only that chips, burger, pizza and everything. It means both children does not get any type of nutrients. Both children does not get any type of nutrients. Now that doctor measured their height and weight both, and after that doctor told there is a one treatment for both children only, that proper food. Proper food is the one remedy for both children, because both children does not get enough amount of nutrients. See that, do you think that why Rashmi could eat only one roti in the whole day? Because she does not get enough food to eat only, means she is poor, that's why. And do you think that Kailash would like games and sports? What do you understand by proper food? It means that, do you think that Kailash would like games and sports? No, we don't think that Kailash would like games and sports. After that, what do you understand by proper food? Proper food, it means food which have all types of nutrients in equal amount. That is a proper food. And what is the proper food? It means what do you understand by proper food? So proper food, it means that food which have all type of nutrients in proper amount. That is the proper food. It means that dal, sabji, roti, rice and fruits and vegetables and milk and milk, means that proper food, we can say balanced diet. So why do you think that the food of Rashmi and Kailash was not proper? Yes, both, it means that Rashmi and Kailash food was not proper, because Rashmi can it means does not get that enough food to eat. It means that it's very poor. She can get only that little rice and one roti only for one day, so she does not get any type of nutrients from it. While Kailash have everything, but he does not like to eat home cooked food, nutritious food only. He like to eat only that chips, burger, pizza and soft drinks, and in this type of food there is no nutrients. It means that both children's food was not proper only. So now think about yourself. Your daily activities and daily diet is proper or not? Think about that. What you eat. Are you eating that home cooked food which your mother make? Yes, that only you have to eat. No, because in that food only you will get all type of nutrients. By eating that junk food and all that, you are not getting any type of nutrients. So proper food, every child's right only. So you know that here you had learned about that two children only, that Kailash and Rashmi. One is Kailash, who does not like homemade food, and the other one is Rashmi, who does not even get the proper meal a day. It means very much difficult. One is Kailash, who does not like homemade food, and the other one is Rashmi, who does not even get one proper meal a day. In our country, when we see many children are there, many children are there like Rashmi only, they do not get enough food that they need to grow and develop properly. That's why this type of children are weak and sickly only. Sickly, it means that they often ill. They are in poor health. But when we think about that children, that we can say that every child has a right to get proper food. After that, here also you can see one picture of Gomti. Gomti is a 30 years old woman, and she works in the field of a rich farmer. One rich farmer is there, and in his field she works, and she is doing very hard work. For this hard work, she gets only that very little money. So with this little money she can buy only that some things, little things only. So it means that a little that she cannot even buy enough rice to feed her family. It means that that is not she cannot buy that enough food also for her family. So, and you know that that field works in field, it means that works in a field, it means that 8 month of the year only, that 4 month nothing, no work is there in field also. So it means that some months she does not get any work at all. So it means no work, it means no money. Then she has to eat leaves and roots from the jungle only, because of no money she cannot buy anything to eat. That's why she has to eat that roots, some roots of the tree and leaves from the jungle only. That's why you know that Gomti's children are very weak because of that hunger, and because of no nutrients, so they are always very sick. And because before few years only, that a few years ago her husband also died because of that hunger only. So you know that Gomti works in a rice field only, and you know that most rice grows in Kalandi district, and rice is even sent to their other state also from here. But many times you know that the workers in the field only does not have enough food, enough rice to eat. And you know that many times, it means much amount of rice that keeps lying in the godown and gets spoiled. And many we can say poor people like Gomti, who does not get enough food to eat, and this type of people die of hunger also. So on this story, what you had learned that we don't have to waste food. So do you also know any child who does not get enough to eat in the whole day, and what are the reasons for this? What are the reasons? Are they poor, or what? Why they are not getting that enough food to eat? So that's why children, don't waste food. And have you ever this type of godown also, where a lot of grain has been stored, and where, yes, store, it means what, but you know that it should not be spoiled. So what we have learned, children, here we had learned about that some taste buds, that digestion, and after that importance of food, proper food. That's why children, we have to eat proper food, no junk food, and we do not waste food only. So students, here you'll end up the lesson. So we'll meet you soon with the new lesson. Till then, go through the video twice for better understanding. Thank you.